is Arya and he is playing the role as a soldier. So let's welcome him on the stage. Arya.
Hello everyone, it's me Aris Arya from UKG Lilly. Today I am playing a role of a soldier. I am a soldier. I am guardian of the nation. I protect my country from enemy. I am always ready to fight for my country. Thank you.
Very good. Thank you so much, Arya. Now I would like to call Divesh Bhandari and he is playing the role as a safe. Let's welcome him on the stage. Divesh Bhandari.
Be content and student. I could be